So here we are at a house where the sewer line for the kitchen drain, which runs right on the other side of those windows, it's broken. This house is on a concrete slab, so that would mean that we need to break the concrete inside the house. So what we're doing is we're doing a directional drill, and we're going to reroute that kitchen line and laundry without major excavation. So what we're doing right now is we're drilling from behind the garage back over there so that we can connect to this line. So our equipment is going here. And instead of going inside the house, we're going to come out this way and connect to the new line that we're doing right over here. Hello. So this is the section that we're not breaking. And the line runs all the way back this way. But instead of breaking in here, we're going to the outside.